The Mount Clara copper smelter was built around 1873 and closed just 2 years later. In 1978, the Kilkivan Shire Council restored the chimney and it was heritage listed in October 1992. The copper ore was a rich blue-green carbonate sourced from the mine about 2 kilometres away. This gave a return of approximately 13% copper. The chimney itself was built from local bluestone, lime and sand mortar, clamped with iron. Reportedly, the sand came from Fraser Island. It is about 14 metres high, but was reportedly originally 20 metres high. The smelter itself was built of bricks and stone and was about 2 metres high. Iron fittings can be seen around the base and were likely part of the supporting or reinforcing of the smelter. The fire bricks that lined the furnace and chimney were made from quality local fire clay. The Mount Clara copper smelter is located on Rossmore Road just outside Kilkivan in Queensland. Thank you for watching. Please help us out with a like, share and subscribe.